Hey everyone! Today we are going to create a simple wireframe based on a real website. This exercise will help you learn how to break down a complex page into basic shapes and layouts, just like professional designers do before starting the final design. Ready? Let's get started. A wireframe is a simple layout of your website or app. No colors or images, just structure. It helps you plan the user experience and catch layout issues early before starting the final design. To create any wireframe, we only need two tools, rectangle and text. First of all, let's break down this web page. It has 6 sections: header, hero section, feature icons, trending states, FAQ, and the footer. As always, you can grab the starter file from the link in the description and follow along. To start, let's grab the frame tool and in the design panel, choose wireframes. Stretch it to the same size as the home page and rename it. I prefer to start with the hero section. Grab the rectangle tool and draw one for the image and another one for the search box. Give it a white color and a drop shadow to pop. Now let's create the header. Draw a rectangle for the logo, press T for the text tool or grab it from the toolbar. Type sign up and set the size. We can leave it as it is, but just to show that it's a link, let's set the decoration to underline. Good. Hold the Option or Alt key and drag to duplicate it. Then change it to login. For the line, we can use a thin rectangle or a line. So let's just draw a line. Now let's create the search box. I prefer to write the actual text for the heading to keep it organized. But for the subtitles, we can use lorem ipsum text. Then draw rectangles for the search fields, place the labels, and use the pen tool to draw an arrow for the drop-downs. And finally, draw a rectangle and label for the search button. Select all the search box element and hit Command or Control G to group them and rename the group. Select the rectangle and the search box, group them and rename it to Hero Section. Let's select all header elements and group them as well. In the next section, we have a small icon placeholder and two texts, one for a title and one for the subtitle. You'll see the other two are the same. So to make our life easier, let's select all three and create a component. Then name it feature icon. Now all we need is to press Command or Control D to duplicate it and make an instance. Bring it to the right and press Command D again to make another instance. But they're a little bit long for the frame, so let's go to the main component, double click to go inside it, tweak the text box a bit, and see all the instances are changed at once. Components magic. Change the titles and move on to the next section. In the trending section, we have one title and a subtitle, 4 cards and a button. Each card has an image placeholder and a badge, a title, rating, the date, and the price. Let's start with the cards. Draw a rectangle for the image, draw another one for the badge, and fill it white. Then place the text, a short line for the title, a text for the rating, and let's draw a star to show this one is rating. Let's place some dummy text for the description and continue with the date and price. Now select all and create a component. Duplicate it 3 times to make instances. And we're done with cards. Now place the title and the subtitle. Then finish the trending section with an Explore More button and move to the FAQ section. For this section, we just need one text line for the title, one question text, an arrow beside each questions to show the expandable effect, and a line to separate questions. Let's select them all, create a component, and rename it. Duplicate it a few times and move on to the footer. 3 small rectangles for the social icons and 4 text for the links. And that's it. This is a powerful skill to have because every great design starts with a great wireframe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more design tips and step-by-step projects. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, elevate and create.